Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Miami Man Outdoors, and today I'm going to show you my new to me Lowe's John boat, 14-foot John boat that we're going to go ahead in this channel and convert it into a duck boat. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 points of one, what's going on with the future of this channel, and two, why did I buy a John boat when I already have a bass boat and a kayak? So this is what's basically going on. I love to waterfowl hunt, but one thing I do not like is waiting for a permit to do the STAs. And I really want to get out there and learn about public hunting for waterfowl. And the number one way to do so is a duck boat. I'm going to convert this John boat into a duck boat, but for the channel, this is what I want to get into is one, how to build this John boat into a duck boat and some waterfowl hunting videos and other journeys and adventures that we'll be able to come out of this John boat. So that's one. So here's what's going on. This is what I kind of have a vision for the channel. I went ahead and talked to a good buddy of mine, Eric, and we went and agreed on a price to buy this Lowe's 14-foot John boat from him. I'm very excited, but a lot of people here do a John boat to bass conversion. My goal for this John boat is going to be a John boat to duck boat conversion, and I really want to be able to use it all year round in Miami or around Florida, but to, one, do public duck hunting. I'm kind of not tired, but I kind of always hate to go ahead and get a permit, and you got to wait for the permit. And if you don't get a permit, then you can't hunt in the STAs. So I finally took the leap, and I went ahead and I bought a John boat that I'll be able to convert into a duck boat here in Florida and be able to use it for public land hunting, to waterfowl hunting. So I'm looking forward to that. Number one, there's a lot of cool things I'm going to show you around this boat, but I'm planning on getting a mud motor, long tail mud motor for this boat. So that's going to come down in the future. And I want to go ahead and build a blind for it as well. Now, obviously duck hunting season is only for so much. So what I look forward to doing is also being able to remove some parts of the duck boat and use it for some Everglades, really shallow water fishing, some places you can't get to in a bass boat or an inshore boat or a kayak. You can use the John boat. So I look forward to using that as well. So if you guys haven't done so yet, this is the time you can subscribe to see the journey of this duck boat build. And we really appreciate you subscribing to the channel and checking out what's going on here in the future of Miami Man Outdoors, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're out here in the front of the John boat, and basically the previous owner gave me two trolling motors with it. One, we don't know if it works, it's a 12 volt, and the second one is a 24 volt. So we don't know which one we're going to put in the front yet, but the great part about the front of the John boat so far was it came with a casting deck that I thought was very cool in the way that his father made it, and then also there's a latch here that's homemade basic mount for your trolling motor. So that's one really cool part about this John boat the way it is so far. Then eventually I do want to add a light in the front and pretty much make this section the command central. If I want to take it out, I can use a trolling motor or all the lights and navigation set up right here. As we move on to this part of the boat, came with these awesome camo seats and a lot of room in the front. There's no deck so far, and then here's where we get kind of fun and interesting when it came with it. Here is an extra part for the trailer that he gave me. He also gave me a deer stand, which I thought was very cool, so maybe there's deer hunting videos in the future. Here's the 24 volt trolling motor that goes in the front, and all of these trolling motors, to my understanding, were the ones that you put in the stern, but all he did was flip it and we put it in the bow. So they work great. This one's by Motor Guide. Another camo seat here in the back. And then, I forgot to show you here, there's also rod holders, 4 rod holders here. And then this is where a lot of the magic's gonna happen. Basically a 3-gallon, but I'm gonna put a 6-gallon gas tank in here. The batteries will probably run back here, but the big thing is the Yamaha 9.9. It runs great. I've already tested it out a couple times, even here at home. So the 9.9 looks kind of beat up. My understanding was it was on a dinghy on a previous owner from my friend Eric, that they left it in the water for too long and it kind of corroded. So I'm actually planning on maybe even creating this and giving it new life. So maybe that's going to be another video that we can do. But all in all, it's really cool that it does come with a 9.9 horsepower motor from Yamaha and a really full functioning trailer with lights and everything. So overall, I'm very excited for this build. Very excited to take you guys along this journey. But I kind of want to show you a quick walkthrough of the 14-foot John boat and what I'm looking forward doing. Definitely lights, repainting it. Definitely we're going to go ahead and put a duck blind on it. And of course, eventually, maybe not until next duck season, but we probably will put a duck motor on this bad boy. So if you want to comment down below, tell me some tricks that you've done to your duck boat, as well as anything you want to see on the channel coming out with a John boat like this. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like this video, please subscribe, follow the journey, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos or what I should do with my boat. Until the next adventure.